Morning, friends. I am Hanuman Jagtap. In the previous lecture, we have seen the first lecture, that is the matter. What is matter? States of the matters depending on the various criteria. First criteria is depending on the Panchatattva. Second, depending on the physical state depending on the physical state, solid, liquid, and gases. Depending on the chemical compositions, there might be again two types: pure substances and mixtures. In the mixtures, again we have seen the two types: homogeneous and heterogeneous. And after that, we have seen the physical nature of the matter, that is the matter is made up of particles. After that, particles are very tiny. After that, next we have seen the particles having the some space in between them. After that, we have seen the particles are continuously moving. And last point, we have seen the particles of matter attract each other. There is force of interaction or force of attraction between the particles. So in this lecture today, we are going to see the states of matters, that is depending on the physical state. So matter exists in the different states. There will be the different states. First one is solid, after that liquid, and after that gas. So solid, liquid, and gases. So we need to see the properties of each and every one. That means properties of solid, properties of liquid, and properties of gases. So first we can see the solid. What do you mean by solid? Solid state कैसा होता है? Solid state of matter. What is the solid state of matter? So solid have the definite shapes and fixed volume. That means solid matter having the definite shape, that means fixed shape होता है और fixed volume होता है. That means it having the fixed shape and fixed volume. That means shape भी fix होता है और volume भी fix होता है. The space between the particles is minimum. That means space between two particles or each and every particle is low or minimum. That means they are attached each other by small distance. The force of attraction between the particles is maximum. As they are close to each other, that means the force of attraction between them is maximum. Space minimum होना चाहिए और attraction जो हो maximum होता है. The movement of particles is minimum. They are not moving. The moment of particle is minimum. They are least compressible. They are least, that means less compressible. That means we are not able to compress it. If they are compressible, then less. After that, their rate of diffusion is least. That means rate of diffusion is least. That means rate of diffusion is less. So these are the some of the properties regarding the solid. Here we can see the diagram of solid. Here the particles having the small distances, small space. After that, it having the minimum space between them. It having the fixed size as well as volume is there. Just let us consider an example. Water in a bottle, that having the volume and that having the some mass also. So that is the solid state. For example, table, that is again the solid state. After that, properties of the liquid. Next point, we are going to see the liquid. So liquid is again a type on the basis of physical state. Liquid, so liquid have no definite shape. हमने वाटर देखा तो वाटर का कोई शेप होता है क्या? नहीं होता. सो लिक्विड्स हैव नो डेफिनाइट शेप बट हैविंग द फिक्स वॉल्यूम. फॉर एग्जांपल वाटर इन अ बॉटल, दैट डजंट हैव फिक्स शेप बट इट हैज द वॉल्यूम. दैट मीन्स इट हैविंग द सम वॉल्यूम फिक्स. 1 लीटर है तो 1 लीटर ही होगा, ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. सो दैट इज द वॉल्यूम. That means it having the some fixed volume but it does not having the fixed shape. If you taken the water in pot, then it will take that shape. If you taken the water in bottle, then it will take different shape. If you taken the water in some other pot, then it will take that shape. That is, the shape is not fixed but वॉल्यूम इज फिक्स. 1 लीटर किसी में भी ले लो, वो 1 लीटर ही होता है, ज़्यादा कुछ उसमें चेंजेस नहीं होता. सो लिक्विड्स टेक्स द शेप ऑफ कंटेनर. दैट मीन्स इन विच यू हैव टेकन द water or liquid, that will take the shape of that container. The space between the particle is intermediate. That means space यहाँ पे क्या है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा है एज कंपेयर टू द सॉलिड. सॉलिड में क्या है, लेस है, इसमें ज़्यादा है. द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन द पार्टिकल्स इज अगेन इंटरमीडिएट. आफ्टर दैट द मोमेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल्स इज इंटरमीडिएट. मोमेंट भी इंटरमीडिएट है. दे आर लेस कॉम्प्रेसिबल. Solid is also less compressible. Here water is also less compressible. The rate of diffusion is more than the solid. Here diffusion, that means one substance gets dissolved into the another substance, that is called as the rate of diffusion is more than the solid. So rate of diffusion is more in the case of solid, more as compared to the solids in the liquid. That is, liquids having the more rate of diffusion than the solids. So this is the diagram, shows the liquids. After that, next point, gases. That is the third type, properties of the gases. So gases have again no definite shape. It also don't have the fixed volume. That means gas, for example, let us consider air. So air don't have the fixed shape. It can be varying, or it also not having the fixed volume also. So that is the gases. Gases occupy the whole space of the container. For example, बॉडी स्प्रे वो जिस भी कंटेनर में हम डालते हैं वैसा ही शेप वो लेता है. सो गैसेस ऑक्युपाई द होल स्पेस ऑफ द कंटेनर. The space between the particle is maximum, so they are separated by a large distance. That is the maximum space. The force of attraction between the particles is less. If the distance is far away, then it is a less space. Distance is far away, then force of attraction is less. If distance is closer, then force of attraction is more. So the force of attraction between the particles is minimum. The movement of particles is maximum, but gases moves maximum. That means the moment is maximum. The moment of particle is maximum. They are most compressible. First two are less compressible. So gases are more compressible. That means we are able to compress it. And the rate of diffusion is more than the solids and liquids. So rate of diffusion is higher in the case of gases, lower solid, after that middle liquid, and after that more rate of diffusion is as compared to the solids and liquids, gases having the more rate of diffusion. So that is this is the diagram of gases. Here we can see the solid, liquid, gas. So this is the diagrams. From that diagrams we are able to understand each and every point. After that, change of the state. Next point, we can see the change of the state. When a solid is heated, it changes its liquid. For example, solid, some of the solid matter, if you heat that, it can changes into the liquid. When the liquid is heated, it changes into the gas. That means जब भी हम सॉलिड को हीट करते हैं तो लिक्विड में वो कन्वर्ट होता है, और लिक्विड को हम अगर हीट करते हैं तो वो गैस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. सो व्हेन द सॉलिड इज हीटेड इट चेंजेस इनटू द लिक्विड, एंड व्हेन लिक्विड इज हीटेड इट चेंजेस इनटू द गैस. व्हेन गैस इज कूल्ड इट चेंजेस इनटू द लिक्विड. इन द रिवर्स वे, when gas is cooled it changes into the liquid, and when liquid is cooled it changes into the solid. For example of the liquid is cooled into the liquid is cooled, it can changes into the solid. For example, water, if you cool it at a large amount, then it will be converted into the ice, that is called as solid. So that is the thing. For example, if ice is heated, it changes into the water. if ice को हम heat करते हैं तो it changes into the water. if water is heated, it changes into the steam, that is evaporation, that is gases. And if steam is cooled, it changes into the water. And if water is cooled, it changes into the ice. So this is the very most important example of the change of state. That means solid से liquid, liquid से gases, again we can convert the gas to liquid, liquid to solid. That is the changes in the state, each and every state. So that is all about the today's lecture. Thank you so much.